A couple of years ago, if any one of you have mentioned me that a cup of coffee could also make a difference towards climate change, I would have not agreed. But today, I do. Before I begin, let me highlight the problems. The first major problem that we all are aware of is global warming and climate change, thanks to hashtag challenges that went viral on social media platforms. As you can see from the slide, the rise in temperature is because of the excessive emission of carbon dioxide from the industries into the atmosphere that will continue to terrorize our planet if not taken care of. The second problem that we are less familiar of is coffee. Oh no, no, do not worry. It's still going to be everyone's favorite cup of hot beverage in Canada. And why not? If it's minus 10 degrees Celsius outside, you would definitely want a favorite cup of latte or mocha. It is because of this tremendous popularity and availability, a huge amount of waste called spent coffee grounds in million tons is generated, which is usually discarded in landfills. However, spent coffee grounds have shown some incredible inherent physical and chemical properties that could be utilized to produce value-added product. Now, Canada being one of the highest contributors of carbon dioxide and top consumers of coffee seeks attention from the scientific community and policymakers. So in my research, I am using an approach of collecting and treating spent coffee grounds thermally to produce activated carbon, such that it would capture carbon dioxide molecules and nothing emits into the atmosphere from the gigantic sources like industries. Now, you must be thinking, how does that even work? To capture carbon dioxide on a carbon sample, two basic principles are exploited. The first one is opposite attracts, and the second one is a huge space can always accommodate a lot. So when a handful amount of spent coffee ground is thermally treated, carbon sample with pertinent surface chemistry and textural properties is synthesized to attract and trap more and more carbon dioxide molecules on the surface. Now imagine what difference can million tons of spent coffee grounds can do towards climate change. Hence, through this research, I am proposing a carbon negative strategy that could be retrofitted to the existing industries and as well as a compatible strategy. These days, while drinking my favorite cup of coffee, I do not worry about the existence of planet B. And you know why? Because in reality, the solution is taken care of. Thank you so much for your attention.